Hey guys, if you ever wondered how you clean the exhaust side on the heads, this is how you do it. First thing, grab some foaming engine cleaner and grab some brake clean because you're going to need it to clean up with. Step 1. Spray the foaming cleaner on the engine. Then scrub the engine. And scrub some more. And scrub some more. Spray it with some brake clean. And wipe it till it's mint. If you guys did it right, it should look like this when it's done. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.